Hello everyone, my name is Ice from Technic Force and welcome for another video presentation. Today I will show you how to find top influencers on Twitter. Now, being able to connect with influencers on Twitter gives you the edge to be successful in online marketing. Now, the main question that needed to be answered is, who are the key influencers on Twitter you need to connect with? Of course, to answer this, one must find out and identify the influencers that are active as well as one that has sizable followings. To make it more effective, one must also determine who are the influencers you share the same interest with, the one that share content related to your business or match your brand, and identify potential influencers within your niche. Now, to find influencers on Twitter, you can either search them directly from Twitter or you may also use third-party tools. But in this case, we will be focusing on how to search for the top influencers directly on Twitter. This way you can follow them right away, share their contents, add them to a list, or even send them direct message. While there are paid tools that promote good find for top influencers like Clear, Little Bird, BuzzSumo, and the likes, Twitter itself is an excellent tool for finding an influencer. The most efficient way is to follow weekly hashtags around your niche. If this is executed correctly, then it will definitely help in finding the right influencer. Now, first thing to do is to log in to your Twitter account. Now, on the upper right corner of the screen, go to Search Twitter. After that, just type in the keyword of the information you are looking for or your target influencer, and then just click on the little magnifying glass icon. After that, it will take you to a page. Check on the left corner or left portion of the screen and you will find search filters. Here you can actually filter the results that will be coming up on the screen. You can either search by people, places, or languages. However, click on Advanced Search. Now it will take you to a page where you need to fill out some details. Now, look for specific industry phrases that you may find in their profile and tweets. You may also search for hashtags to find people that are using them. Now, after that, just click on the search button and then it will give you all the lists depending on the data that you've encoded on the advanced search. Not all the results, however, will provide influencers. You must look for a particular profile that has generous number of followers. This is what you are looking for. Tweet push may also help in checking out trending hashtags or topics within the selected location. You may also try this amazing feature. Now, after identifying your target influencer, begin interacting with them to build relationship. You must try to get their attention and get retweets. Having to do this is one of the best way in achieving your goal to be an effective online marketer. That's about it for today. Thank you for watching this video. See us again on the next one. Thank you. Bye!